There is a secret language that humans speak, a language that doesn't use words, but is far more honest. While a woman might keep her thoughts guarded, her body is constantly broadcasting her true desires. Attraction is not just a choice. It is a chemical reaction, a biological surrender. Today, we are going to dive deep into the 5 undeniable biological signs that a woman is subconsciously craving intimacy with you. These are signals that she cannot fake, and she cannot hide. If you know how to look for them, you will be able to see into her soul, long before she says a single word. Let's unlock the code. The first and most ancient sign is the pupil dilation. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and in biology, this is literally true. When a human being looks at something they intensely desire, their pupils expand. It is an involuntary response of the nervous system, designed to take in more of the object of affection. If you are sitting across from her and you notice her eyes becoming dark and deep, it is a sign that her brain is releasing a flood of dopamine. She isn't just looking at you, she is absorbing you. This is the silent yes that her body gives, even when she is acting shy. The second sign is the vocal shift. Have you ever noticed a woman's voice becoming softer, lower, and more melodic when she talks to you? This isn't an accident. Research shows that when a woman feels a deep physical attraction, her vocal cords actually relax, and her pitch drops into a more breathy or velvety tone. This is a subconscious biological signal of comfort and submission. She is literally changing the frequency of her voice to create a more intimate, private space between the two of you. If she sounds different when she is alone with you than she does with her friends, you have triggered a deep emotional response. The third biological trigger is the flush and the heat. When attraction moves from the mind to the body, the heart rate increases. This causes a rush of blood to the surface of the skin, especially around the cheeks, the neck, and the chest. In the world of biology, this is known as the flush. It is a primal signal of arousal and health. If you notice a subtle warmth or a slight glow in her complexion while you are talking, it is a sign that her internal system is accelerating. Her body is physically reacting to your presence, preparing for a deeper connection. It is the heat of attraction, and it cannot be ignored. The fourth sign is the exposure of vulnerability. Pay close attention to her neck and wrists. In the animal kingdom, exposing the neck is a sign of ultimate trust and surrender, because these are the most vulnerable parts of the body. If a woman is tilting her head, playing with a necklace, or constantly touching her throat while looking at you, she is subconsciously signaling that she feels safe in your presence. She is opening up her vital points to you. This is her body's way of saying that the walls are down. She is inviting you into her personal space, and she is ready to let the connection deepen. The fifth and final sign is the mirroring of the rhythm. This is called limbic resonance. When two people are deeply attracted, their bodies begin to sync up. If you lean in, she leans in. If you take a sip of your drink, she does the same. But the most powerful version of this is the breathing sync. If you notice that her breathing rhythm is starting to match yours, you have reached a state of biological harmony. You are no longer two separate entities. You are moving as one. At this stage, the subconscious choice has been made. The energy between you is no longer a question. It is a reality. Understanding these signs is not about winning. It is about listening. It is about respecting the delicate dance of human nature. If you want to master the science of attraction and understand the world of the female subconscious, subscribe and join the Matrix. Knowledge is the ultimate power. I will see you in the next video.